Can someone tell me why content creators are not doing justice to this AI? Like Flow AI is much more better than Grok. Like I don't know if you have gone into Flow to find out that it is very, 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 very much better than Grok AI, and people don't know about it. Creating video with it is even much better. You generate your images there and also create ASAP. It's not like just, it's not joke. Like watch this video. I created it with AI, and I created it with Flow, generating consistent character and all that with Flow AI.
So when is the wedding? Soon. I need a new dress. You always do.
Clack it. Clack it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create that particular video and how you are going to get these consistent characters and everything. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to like show you with this. So if you want to generate it, you come here and look at the place where it says nano banana 2. Okay, you can come here, you can choose your ratio, you can choose 1.1, 1.3.4, you can choose 9.16, but in the sake of my video that I'm creating, I'm going to be using 16.9. Okay, so in as much as I'm using 16.9, I'm going to like leave it. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing next is come to this place where it says plus sign. So I'm going to tap on this plus sign in order for me to generate another image that looks like them. Okay, this image that looks like them. So you go to your chat GPT and look at the prompt very well. Okay, like this is my part 2. This is the part 2 of this particular video. So I'm going to like look at their scene. So this is Kimmy, Zara and Tunde. There are 3 of them there. Okay, 3 of them. What are they doing? Emotional tension, turning away while man reaches out. Okay, so you copy it, then you go back to your flow. Okay, you go back to your flow. You see any place where there are 3, like you see 3 people standing, confrontation, this place here. So you click on it, it's going to add here, like it has added. So what you need to do is you paste your image, okay, and let it generate. Okay, so after this particular generation, I'm going to show you how you are going to like get your video. Okay, get your video working. So this is basically what I did, and I got these consistent characters. Okay, this is where she was happy, and this is where her face was like she was sad and all that. So I'm going to show you in this video now how to get that. So before we clicked on the place where there were 3 of them. Okay, there were 3 of them. Look at them. This is what we used to like generate this new one. Okay, let's see what it's going to give us. Let's see if it's going to be giving us consistent character or it's not going to be giving us consistent character. I can't wait for me to see this. Like this particular AI, I think is doing better than Grok. Like sometimes if you tell Grok to do this for you, Grok is going to be doing another thing for you. Like Grok makes 2 people talk at the same time. Like this particular one, the first video I generated here, like this video that I generated, this video did well. Okay,
so when is the wedding? Soon. I need a new dress. You always do. So when is the wedding?
As you can see, that video basically did well. It did well. So let's see. Okay, now this is what I was saying. It's giving you the exact thing you wanted. Okay, what we wanted, like it has given us what we wanted. It's still same character, same people and all that. So this is all about it. Okay, so for you now to generate your video and all that, this is how you are going to be generating your video. So you come to the nano banana 2 and you see where it says after image you're getting video, so you tap on video. Okay, so you're going to be choosing your character, you are going to be choosing your scene. So I've generated the first scene where they were talking about marriage and she was happy and all that. Okay, so you come to this place where it says start. Okay, so you tap on the place where it says start. You're going to be looking for the place where they are happy, depending on your prompt. Okay, depending on your prompt, you come to that place. Okay, for instance, this is the place I guess this is the place she was happy and all that. So I'm going to use this site and I'll copy it. Go to ChatGPT. I don't know if this is where she's sad or what, but I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, so when I get to ChatGPT, I'm going to go back. This is my first sign. I'm not finished creating it. Okay, I'm just trying to like try this to know if it's going to work. So this is where they were in the restaurant, and this is their scene 2 dialogue. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll go back to Flow AI and I'm going to paste this. Okay, so here you are going to be seeing Kimmy and Zara. So Kimmy is the one on blue, so I will add brackets and tell Flo that Kimmy is the lady on blue, so they don't give me another thing. Like Kimmy won't say what Zara will say. Okay, so lady on blue, is it in blue or on blue dress? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section which is the correct. So you're going to be hitting on generate. Okay, so let's hit on generate and wait for it to generate, and you're going to see how it's going to perform. So once you have generated your video, what you need to do is just tap on it. Okay, I will show you after this has generated. Okay, while you wait for this to generate, please make sure you hit that subscription button. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. I just decided to like enter into helping you guys create AI image. Like YouTube automation is really paying this period, and if you don't know any skill you want to like monetize, this is the best skill so far. It has hit 4 o'clock. I'm supposed like to post this particular video today, but I'll be looking for alternative to create, in as much as Grok is no longer free. So this is what I've been looking for. I've been making researches on how to get this particular stuff to like talk the way I want, the conversation to be the way I want, and I finally got it. Okay, that's why I quickly said let me make this particular tutorial and show you how to like generate it. Okay, it's going to be taking some time, so I hope you understand. Okay, so let's wait for it generating. So let's wait for it to play.
So when is the wedding? Soon. I need a new dress. You always do.
Oh my god, clock it, guys. Clock it. You guys should clock this particular video. Clock it. So if you want to like save this video, all you need to do is tap on here and you're going to see download, then you download. Just long press on the video and you're going to be downloading it. This is all about this video. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, let me go back and continue my generation so that I can post before 6 o'clock. Bye and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Wow.